Good morning, Lions, and welcome to Wicked Hot Wednesday, May 15th. I'm Mr. Garcia, your assistant principal, and yes, it is wicked hot today, and we are at the peak of the heat. I think it's going to be 94 or 95 degrees today, but it is going to start to taper off this week, meaning that it's going to drop down a little bit, probably be upper 80s by the end of the week, and then into the upper 70s by next week. So that's going to be quite a reprieve from all this heat. Okay, thank you, teachers, for getting your lunch count and attendance in. Always really appreciate that. As you know, this is the last week of library, so all books are due. This Friday, May 17th, all library books are going to be turned in. I know some teachers are letting students borrow books, and you students are being very, from what I understand, many students are being very respectful with that, getting those books back to the teacher, and just showing that very much respectful and responsible person, being those respectful, responsible people that you are. All right, we are going to have the Reading Olympics next Friday. That's going to be May 24th. K through 1 is going to be at 8:30 a.m. Second and third is going to be at 9:15 a.m. And 4 through 6 is going to be at 10 a.m. Okay, let's talk a little bit about PBIS today. Okay, so what, Lions, we're going to go over the 3 words of PBIS together now. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Respectful, responsible, safe. All right? Everything we're doing at Linda Elementary School in terms of recesses, lunches, in-class behavior, when you're walking in the halls, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, it's all about being respectful, responsible, and safe. So, do you understand that? And so I'm very happy that I see a lot of good responsibility on campus. We can always do better, so let us keep working on that, Lions, okay? So I was going to tell you a joke about frozen orange juice, but I can't concentrate long enough to tell it. Whoa, my hat sure came off, though. That was a funny joke right there, all by itself. Okay, so now how about a joke? What do you call a horse that lives next door? Your neighbor. Well, that's what I'd call it. So anyway, let's go. Oh, I'm sorry, we didn't do birthdays. Let's do our birthdays for today. Today being the 15th. Wow, middle of the month. We have 1 month until summer. I take it back. A little over a month before summer begins. But the 15th, let's see. Jimena Nieto Garcia, a 7-year-old first grader in Mrs. Sweeten's class. And Zoe Salinas, a 10-year-old fourth grader in Mrs. Egger's class. Happiest of birthdays to the both of you. And April birthdays on the 15th, Yanette, Miss Yanette Ubias in Kinder. Happiest of birthdays to you, Miss Yanette. And let's see, the 15th, what do we have for breakfast? Egg and cheese biscuit, although they may change it up in there. You know, they're working on that Michelin star, so they always got to be ready with something brand new. And a grilled cheese sandwich. That's going to be the Gruyere. I'm sure it's a grilled Gruyere on brioche, and probably a nice, I don't even know. I have no idea what they even do with that, but I know that it's good. It's first class. All right, so let's go ahead and stand now for the flag salute. Hats off, hoods off. Hats off. Hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, hat back on. There we go. And let us see now. Make sure you're here every day, Lions. I don't want you to miss school, because when you miss school, right, you miss out. Be here every day. Come and get breakfast, or go to Second Chance Breakfast, but fill up your belly, get some fuel in you, okay? And remember, the world is a different place. The world is a better place because you're in it. So have a great day, Lions, and we'll see you around.